Okay, family, I'm back at it again. And in this video right here, we're going to talk about something that, you know, I kind of could have predicted in a way. And I'm not a psychic or anything like that. It's just that I study a lot, I look at the trends, and I understand how seasons work. I understand how certain things work in conjunction, and how if things go up, things come down. Some things go down and then they go back up. So I can use simple knowledge and information like that and apply it to some things that could lead you to the answer to that, very important question that we always ask. But where's my money? Now, I'm over here on one of my favorite websites. It's actually a website I created myself, which is for my local area. It's called richmondigotchapaper.com. Now, this right here is a website designed to help people in Richmond and the surrounding area get the news and information that they need. Things that they need to know that's going on that's going to be pertinent to, their lifestyle. And also additional information such as, if you can see right over here, how they can do something that's very important to me. And that's learn how to earn an income from home. So they have the option on this site to actually click this button here to start a chat, which it'll take them through a sequence where if they're interested in learning how to earn an income, this is kind of going to qualify them just to see if, you're the right type of person, if you're a right fit for what we have to offer as far as recommendations. Now, besides that, I want to point your attention over to here, to this article right here. It talks about boil water advisory issued for parts of Hanover County. Now, boil water advisory means there's something basically wrong with the water. So as it says here, boil water advisory has been issued for parts of Hanover County as a precautionary measure after county officials said it was affected by a malfunction at Richmond's water and, of course, water reservoir. So let's click the link just to see exactly where that sentence ended. So Richmond's water reservoir system. So that right there is very important. That's a very, very important piece of news information. Now, this happened at around noon on Tuesday, January 7th. A county spokesperson said it has disconnected its water supply from Richmond's system and is using internal pumps due to ongoing water issues in the city. Wow. So that presents a challenge. That presents a problem. That presents a opportunity for the right person with this particular information. Now, I want to take you to a place where I actually went not too long ago in time. Back in November, I actually foresaw a situation where there could be a necessity for something dealing with water. Now, back then, I didn't know exactly when it was going to be needed, but in my particular industry of affiliate marketing, it's my job to focus on profitable niches, things that can actually help me earn an income from home passively, and that can be used and needed year round, and something that's could be crucial in crucial times. So with the boil water advisory, what else do you think would be kind of crucial in these moments? I think right here, this right here says it all. So I wrote an article, right? And as you can see, the date of this article says November 23rd, 2024. So it was definitely before this situation. So I wrote this article, and then in here, it talks about the importance of water filtration. So it gives you the ultimate guide to water filtration and quality. I knew that's something that is very important. That's something that people are very concerned with on a daily basis, quality of water. But looking at this situation that we have here, only in Hanover or Richmond, this situation or this type of situation is happening all around the US at various times of the year due to various situations that causes issues with water. So it's something that is continuously happening. And sometimes it could be weather related, sometimes it could be man-made, sometimes it could be technical issues. But whatever causes this situation or this problem, there's usually a simple solution. And water filtration is a simple solution as compared to possibly just boiling the water, right? That's what we're thinking about. So we recently had a storm, right? So think about it in this situation. You have a storm and then you don't have any clean water. So you need to boil the water, but your power has gone out. So now you don't have any power to actually boil the water. This is when a filtration system or a filter would come in handy, right? So depending on where you are, what situation you're facing, understanding water filtration could be the solution for you. And I created some other information on here in this article that'll take you to some solutions if you ever find yourself in a situation. Now, people of Hanover, you may have needed this back in November, right? You could have used this November 23rd, 2024. If you've had this information and you took the suggestions, you could have been prepared for this moment. Hindsight is 2020, right? But to a skilled marketer, it's my job to see a problem that you are currently having or a problem that you may potentially have. It's my job to see that problem before you actually get there and give you the information beforehand so that you can avoid it altogether. Provide you with the solutions so that you avoid as much as the downfalls as possible. So with that, I want to extend an invitation to you guys. I want to extend an invitation to join me in what I call the Hustler's Secret Success System, a private Facebook group that gives you insider information on affiliate marketing for beginners, intermediate, and even some experts. Because I've noticed that some experts still, they're stuck in traditional ways of doing it. And what a lot of people seemingly lack is a sense of creativity and a sense of being able to think outside of the box. Now, this right here was a concept that I thought about, just thinking outside of the box, unlocking my mindset in a way that I'm always looking for solutions. I'm not problem focused any longer. I don't sit around and talk about how this is wrong, that's wrong, everything's just horrible. I look at it and I say, it is what it is, but what can I do about it? What solutions can I set up? And this right here has been a solution that I've set up for you guys since November 23rd. Whether or not you decided to take the solution from me, that's on you. I know one thing, I have a water filter. So with that, once again, if you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing or getting access to this blog article, I'm gonna put the link to this article in the description of this video so you can read the article for yourself. And if you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing, if you have any interest at all in, making money from home, doing it in a way that you can create a fun and exciting lifestyle for yourself, do the things that you like and that you would love to do on a daily basis, being creative, connecting with like-minded individuals that are skilled and that want to be there to support you, then I want you to comment hustle, and I would like to speak with you. Set up a free coaching call so that we can get to know each other and find out what the potential problem is that you're facing that's keeping you from reaching your goals. Now, once we establish what those potential problems are, that's when we get to work on the solutions. Now, if you get to me today, that problem that you might have, let's say in the next month or two, because we all know a problem is coming. A problem is just something that's right around the corner. It's just don't know what corner is going to be around. Could be tomorrow, it could be next week, next month, or 2 months from now. But if you start on the solution today, you would be prepared by the time tragedy or potential tragedy actually strikes. So with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick affiliate marketing food for action moment. Check out this article, comment hustle to set up your free coaching call. Hope to see you guys on the inside, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Have a great rest of your day. Know what you know, and know what you know before you enter that room.
Hey there. If you've ever wondered how people make money online without creating their own products or running a physical store, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to explain affiliate marketing, a simple yet powerful way to earn money online that anyone can start, even with no experience. Affiliate marketing is all about connecting people to products or services they need. Think of it like this: you recommend a product to someone, they buy it, and you get paid a commission for the sale. It's like being a digital matchmaker. The best part? You don't need to own or ship any products, handle customer service, or even create anything from scratch. Companies handle all of that. Your job is simply to share a unique link, called an affiliate link, and when someone takes action through that link, you earn. For example, meet Sarah. She started affiliate marketing a few months ago and now earns consistent commissions by promoting products she already loves. And here's the exciting part: you don't need a big following or fancy tech skills to get started. With tools like the $7 Mega Link, you can dive into affiliate marketing today and start earning commissions right away. I'll be guiding you through this step-by-step journey, showing you exactly how to get started and grow. Trust me, affiliate marketing has changed the lives of so many people, including mine, and I'm here to help you do the same. Are you ready to start your affiliate marketing journey? Stick with me, and in the next video, I'll show you why affiliate marketing is perfect for beginners and how you can set yourself up for success. Don't forget to like this video, follow this page, and drop a comment below if you're excited to learn more. Let's take this journey together. I can't wait to see what you achieve.